Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to do a faux fishtail. Perfect for those days when your hair is a little dirty, it's not looking good, and you want to have something cute and fun and out of your face for whatever you have to tackle that day. So to start, we just take all your hair over to one side. I like to put it on the side that I put my hair to. And you're just going to take the little clear elastics. I usually put 2 of them together. And you're just going to kind of wrap them around your hair. You don't even have to do it more than once, unless you have super thick hair. Then you're going to want to use this guy. So there. Now it looks super crazy, but we start with that. That's the foundation of the style. A nice little side ponytail. And so for the next step, you take another little elastic and you're going to go down about 2 inches and wrap that onto it. Ta-da, like so. So now you have this little kind of bubbly thing going on here. So what you're going to do is you're going to split a hole in it and you want to pull it through to the back, kind of like a little topsy-turvy. And as you do that, pull on it a little bit, and you're gonna go down about another 2 inches, depending on how long your hair is. You could do 1, you could do 2, you could do 5 if you're like Rapunzel. And so here's the next one. You're gonna do the same thing again. Split a little hole in it and reach through from behind and pull it through. So once you've got that in there, you got the cute little spot. And now you're just gonna kind of pull on it. You can take pieces at a time, which makes it feel more fishtail-y, and then mess up the little pieces. Pull on it here, tug, tug. You can make it as messy or not messy as you want it to be. It's your hair. And then, now that we've got that part all cute in there, can you see it? Can you see it? Now we are going to fix this hot mess. Okay, so after you get it like that, we're just gonna kind of pull out some stuff, maybe a couple little pieces in the front here, make it more wispy and cute, a little less perfect looking. And then once you have that, how you like it, you are good to go.